Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily style your hair in 30 seconds. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So before I start, I just want to ask you guys one question, and that is, how long do you guys usually take to get ready before going out? There was actually a study done that measures how long a woman gets ready for work. The results show that they take an average of 22.5 minutes to get ready. Now if you add them all up, that's about 137 hours a year that you're spending time getting ready for work or going out. Well, if you're a guy, usually you take less time because you don't have to wear makeup, or some guys do wear makeup, but majority of people don't. Guys, you have to remember that time is money. The more time you spend getting ready to go out, that's money lost, you know? So that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily style your hair in just 30 seconds. So it doesn't matter if you have shorter hair or longer hair. For me, I have a medium style hair right now, and I basically just got out of the shower and dried my hair. So it's a little bit damp, and I'm just going to show you how I can style my hair in 30 seconds. Okay, let's do it. Alright, blow dryer, I'm gonna plug it in and time myself in 30 seconds.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, for you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. Yeah, hey girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it.
Basically, this method is just to dry your hair while styling your hair in whatever direction you want to. For me, I like to part my hair to the right side. So this is my left cheek. I like to part it to the right like this. But everyone is different, so you might prefer to style your hair on the left part. And you can also see that all I use was my fingers and a blow dryer, and no hair products whatsoever or a comb. This is because I want to go for a messier hairstyle look. So using my fingers, I can create the messy hairstyle rather than using a comb where it's more uniform. As for using the blow dryer, I was basically blow drying the roots of my hair so it's dry, because it's really bad if you go outside when your roots of hair is still wet. It just damages your hair follicles. So in this 30 seconds, you really want to focus on blow drying the roots of your hair while using your fingers to just style it however you want it. Right now, my hair is not totally dry yet, but I would say it's about 70 to 80% dry. If you're in a time crunch, you can follow this 30-second hairstyle method, style your hair a little bit before going out so your hair looks somewhat decent. And on your commute, if you're busing, you can just fix your hair while holding your mirror. If you're driving, you can also fix your hair while driving, you know? You can just basically style however you want it. And that's also another reason why I love this hairstyle so much. This hairstyle is actually called the two-blow hairstyle. Once you get the basic structure of the two-blow hairstyle right, you can do this at home. All it is basically short sides and long top. So just to quickly show you, my sides here is short, and you can see the part right now where my Asian hair is sticking out like a porcupine. So I can easily just use the razor and shave all the way up here. Now if you want to cut the back of your hair, it might be a bit tricky if you don't have a secondary mirror. However, I have placed a link down below for a 360 mirror that you can easily use. Here's a short video on how you can use it. So this product I'm showing you right now is actually a self-cut 360 mirror. It allows you to easily see all sides of your hair, both front, back, and sides, to easily cut by yourself in the comforts of your own home. Cutting your own hair has never been easier, guys. The link for this product is down in the description box down below. I have a 10% discount code for you, so just put Javen10 in the checkout page and you're good to go. And that's Javen10. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out in terms of saving time in the morning before going out. In the morning, a lot of people are usually rushing and they don't have time to eat breakfast and all that. So just having a 30-second routine to do your hair really saves a lot of time, and especially for most guys like me, I don't wear any makeup whatsoever, so I can take maybe 10 seconds to put some lotion, do a 30-second hair routine, and I'm out the door in like 1-2 minutes. So if you like this video, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time. Oops, forgot to make a thumbnail for the video, so I'm just gonna use this blow dryer to blow dry my hair as the thumbnail. Yeah, finished all the edges and she's dead. Oh, upside down. Noah.
What the hell?
What happened?
What is this?